everybody. Here is N5 vocabulary lesson 12. Kantan, easy, simple. この問題は簡単です。This question is easy. 近い near, close. 学校は家の近くにあります。The school is near my house. 遠い far. 駅は遠いです。The station is far. 早い fast, early. 電車は早いです。The train is fast. 遅い slow, late. 今日は帰るのが遅いです。I'm going home late today. 人が多い many people. 公園に人が多いです。There are many people in the park. 人が少ない few people. 店に人が少ないです。There are few people in the shop. 暖かい warm. 春は暖かいです。Spring is warm. 温かいコーヒーをください。Please give me a warm coffee. 彼は心が温かいです。He has a warm heart. 涼しい cool weather. 山の上はとても涼しいです。It's very cool at the top of the mountain. 甘い sweet. このコーヒーは少し甘いです。This coffee is little sweet. 辛い spicy. 辛い食べ物が好きですか？ Do you like spicy food? 重い heavy. このカバンは重いです。This bag is heavy. 軽い light. このカバンは軽いです。This bag is light. 季節 season. どの季節が一番好きですか？ Which season do you like the most? 春 spring. 春には花がたくさん咲きます。Many flowers bloom in spring. 夏 summer. 夏は暑いです。Summer is hot. 秋 autumn. 秋は涼しいです。Autumn is cool. 冬 winter. 冬は寒いです。Winter is cold. 天気 weather. 明日の天気はどうですか？ How is the weather tomorrow? 雨 rain. 雨の日はうちにいます。I stay at home on rainy days. Yuki, snow. Watashi wa yuki o mitai desu. I want to see the snow. Kumori, cloudy. Kumori no hi wa suzushii desu. Cloudy days are cool. Kuko, airport. Chichi wa kuko de hataraite imasu. My father works at the airport. Umi, sea. Umi ga kirei desu. The sea is beautiful. Sekai, world. Sekai wa hiroi desu. The world is big. Omatsuri, festival. Omatsuri wa nigiyaka desu. Festivals are lively. Sukiyaki, beef hot pot. Sukiyaki wa suki desu ka? Do you like sukiyaki? Sashimi, sliced raw fish. Sashimi wa suki desu ka? Do you like sashimi? Butaniku, pork. Butaniku wa suki desu ka? Do you like pork? Toriniku, chicken. Toriniku o tabemasu. I eat chicken. Gyuniku, beef. Gyuniku wa toriniku yori suki desu ka? Do you like beef more than chicken? Ikebana, flower arrangement. Ikebana wa Nihon no dento desu. Ikebana is Japanese tradition. Zutto, continuously or all the time or for a long time. Watashi wa zutto Nihongo o benkyou shite imasu. I have been studying Japanese for a long time. Hajimete, for the first time. Nihon e iku no wa hajimete desu. This is my first time going to Japan. Tadaima, I'm home. Shigoto kara kaette, tadaima to iimashita. I came home from work and said I'm home. Okaeri nasai. Welcome home. Otsukare-sama. Okaeri nasai. Thank you for your hard work. Welcome home. Tsukaremashita. I am tired. Undo shita ato de tsukaremashita. I got tired after exercising. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.